Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I make my own herbal oil at home. I'm going to mainly be using ingredients that I already have around the house. Let's jump into it. I am going to start by boiling water. If you have more time, this part is optional. Next, I'll be putting aside a clean jar to prepare the herbs. I'll be starting off with fenugreek seeds or methi and amala powder. Fenugreek is loaded with nutrients. It's known for promoting hair growth and improves your hair texture. Amala is known for strengthening the scalp and hair and reducing hair loss. I'll be using about 1 tablespoon of each. I got both ingredients from a local Indian store. The amala powder might be a little bit tougher than you expect. Next, I'm going to include some herbs that I have in my pantry. Right now I'm adding peppermint and rosemary. Next, I'll be adding my base oils. Today I'll be using castor oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and extra virgin olive oil. I'm adding enough oil mix to just cover the top of my herbs. To speed up the infusion process, I'm putting the jar in a pot of boiling water. Now this step is optional. I only did it this way because I didn't have time, but usually I'll let my oils infuse for a few weeks inside of a cool place like the pantry. So I let my oil sit in hot water for about 2 hours and then I let it cool down. So now I'm going to take the infused oil and strain it through a colander. Now I'm going to take all of the herbs and powders that I used and put them back in the jar. I'll be adding more olive oil, castor oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil, reusing these herbs and storing inside of my pantry for about 3 weeks. Next, I'm adding rosemary and jojoba essential oils. And that's it. You just pour the oil into a nozzle and shake it up when you're all done. Thank you guys for joining me in this quick tutorial. Please subscribe if you would like to see more. Bye!